What is going on, YouTube? My name's Kyle, also known as LoudSVHR on Instagram and YouTube and TikTok. I'm gonna start this video off with like a little vlog style. Don't mind all the Hot Wheels addiction. I'm getting my wheels today. Nothing big. Something rare, yes, but nothing too big, easy stuff. I'm not gonna really vlog on the way there or anything. I'm bringing a friend. I might bring the GoPro just to show like outside in the light maybe. I'm definitely gonna record just putting them on the car. Maybe go out and take some pictures underneath like some lights or something at a gas station, not sure yet. I'm not going to say what they are right this very second. If you know what they are once they get on screen, good job. These are pretty rare wheels to come across. If you don't, I'll say later. But yeah, I'm going to go meet up with the seller at 6:30. It is now 4:15. And I'll update you guys later. I hope you guys are excited, just as excited as I am. These are my dream wheels. Almost every Gran Turismo that has these wheels, I put them on every Nissan that I possibly can. This is a big thing for me. It might not be as big as some other people's dream wheels, like the 3-piece wheels. These are definitely 1-piece race wheels. I'm going to say that now. 1-piece race wheels, really rare to come across. If you disagree, let me know where you can get different specs, because I'd either trade for different specs or something. I don't know. These aren't ideal specs that I'm looking for, but they're gonna work because they're what I was able to find. But yeah, I will update you guys in a little bit. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Peace out. Alright, what is going on? I am back with the update. I didn't bring the GoPro. I didn't want to put anybody on camera. I have the wheel sitting right in front of me. The specs are going to be 18 by 9.5 plus 38 or 36. One of the two, not sure. They are raised. They are Graham lights. They are Graham lights FXZs. I got them used. They have some pretty cheap tires on them. Mucho Macho. Tire size is, where is it? 225 40 18. I'm going to put them on right now because when I get to work tomorrow, I need to see if I need to lower the car at all, raise the car at all, if I need an extra spacer or just brand new spacers. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Yeah, I'm gonna put them on now. I'll pick up the camera when all 4 of them are on, and I'll probably back it out maybe, or I might drive somewhere and take some pictures. I'm not sure yet. We gotta put the wheels on first. Peace out. Alright, so I'm back. The stocks are on the toolbox, spare tire, grams are on. Fitment is not bad off rip. I thought I was gonna need something for correction. I don't think I'm going to. I might just need to lower it a tad, but if anything, maybe go up to a 25 mil spacer. In the rear, the front, maybe the same thing. I'm gonna back it out of the garage so I can get like a better view of them. I might go drive around the block, see if I get some new scrapes or new noises. The wheels have wheel weights on them, so they should be balanced. If they're not, I have to flip the tires anyways, since they're They're used tires. They're one brand new tire, and that's on the driver rear. The other 3 I should flip tomorrow. I should do it while I have the chance. But yeah, this shit looks sick. It's a little dark. They're a little darker than the color of the car. Here. They're a little. Damn, iPhone flashlight sucks. There you go. Not bad though. These look super fly. Super fly, that's a song. But yeah, I am super happy with these. I'm saying that I'm really lucky getting these for such a good price. I'm not gonna say how much, but yeah, these are beautiful in my opinion. When this goes up, I'd like for ideas if these should get a color change. I'll respray them myself. If you guys think I should keep them the same, let me know. I'm thinking if I change the color more of like a hyper silver, really bright silver, or get them chrome dipped, which I'd have to go to somebody to get done. I don't know how to do that. But yeah, I think that's it for now. I'm gonna go drive it. I'm gonna get maybe some daytime clips tomorrow, like in the morning. The sun's coming up and it looks really cool. But yeah, that's it for now. If this is the end of the video, remember, like, comment, and subscribe. All that's gonna give me motivation to keep doing more to the car if you guys keep watching it. So like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Alrighty, so I'm gonna continue on this video from last night into today. I'm gonna test fit some tires that my friend Bennett has, because the tires that are on the Grams now are just way too stretched in my opinion. So I'm gonna get a little POV thing going on in the shop when I put on these other tires and see how they look. Alright, so I forgot the GoPro at home, but this is the fitment with the new tires. I put 245/40s on there. Still tucking tire. I think it looks gorgeous the way it is. Fitment's pretty nice. So now the unfortunate part is, shortly after I put the wheels on, my slave went out. Slave cylinder, which they're notorious for going out. I just didn't expect mine to go out at 70,000 miles. So I'm currently waiting for tomorrow to come so I can get paid and order everything. It's gonna be around $1,600 because I gotta replace the master, the slave, and I'm gonna upgrade the whole clutch and flywheel kit. So when that happens, I will make a video on that, but for now I'm just gonna leave this video the way it is. So yeah, I'm kind of upset. I mean, I have no car. This is my daily. But this is the cons of trying to make a race car and having your daily at the same time. So until I get the car back on the road, this is going to be it for now. I'll have another video coming out soon for the transmission build. It's going to be a whole new built transmission, so I'll have that video out soon, hopefully. But for now, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.